Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to create a guild on Discord. Sometimes you might want to set up a guild on Discord to organize your community better and make your server more engaging. Guilds help you manage members, create roles, and give your server a clear structure. You can also highlight active members with badges and customize the appearance to make your server stand out. Right now, this feature is experimental and only available to a small number of servers. If your server has access, you'll see a notification that your server can create a guild. You can also check the Settings tab of your server, where the Create Guild option will appear. When creating your guild, you have several options to make it fit your community. You can select the type of audience, such as casual players, very casual members, or hardcore gamers. You can decide what topics your guild focuses on, like gaming, music, or study groups. You can also assign badges to highlight members, achievements, or contributions, and customize the look of the guild with colors and icons to make it unique. If you don't see the Create Guild option, it means your server isn't part of the experimental test yet. In that case, you'll need to wait until Discord expands this feature to more servers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.